Want to slice and dice your audio like a pro in FL Studio? Let me show you how to cut it up and make it sound just right. First, open FL Studio and import the audio you want to work with. Once it's in your project, drag it into the track where you want to edit it. Now, look for the cut button located right here in the toolbar. After that, make sure to adjust your track to pinpoint exactly where you want to make the cut. To slice the audio, just click and drag from the bottom of the waveform to the top. This will give you a clean and sharp cut, so you can split your audio up just how you want. You can even repeat the cutting process as many times as needed to break the track into smaller parts. Once you've made the cuts, don't forget to adjust the audio clips. Move them around and fine-tune them to ensure it sounds the best it can. You can also fade in or out, adjust the volume and tweak effects to make it seamless. That's it, easy as that. Now you're ready to create the perfect track. We hope you found this video helpful. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe. And also tune in for more related videos. See you next time.